This is the second tool we have created, basically using two friends that is called BB Trend. What does BB Trend do? Basically, it simplifies things. It tells you the direction of the trend and the strength of that trend's direction. Why did John Linjal develop it? To enhance trend analysis. What will it do? It basically combines a 20-day moving Bindasal band and a 50-day moving Bindasal band. Now there is a difference in these two upper Bindasal bands. For example, the small 20 moving Bindasal band uses all three, the 20 and 50 moving averages. Now what is this? Now when the upper band of the 20 moving average band and the 50 moving average band come together, the trend will be strong. They will form a bullish trend. And if they move apart, what will happen? The bullish trend is weakening and the bearish trend is getting strong. So if the upper band of 50 and 20 is close, it means we are in a strong bullish trend and 50 to 20. If the roll band is close, meaning we are in a strong bearish trend, the more their distance increases, the stronger the strength becomes. And when the bands are coming closer, the trend is getting stronger. And when the bands are moving apart, that trend is getting weak. So, how it displays the BB trend right now, everyone can see on the screen. If it is forming a dark green histogram, meaning what? Meaning the trend is getting strong when it starts forming a light green stream. Meaning the bands are widening and the trend is getting bearish. If those roll bands are coming closer, the red color keeps on getting darker. And when they are going away from each other, that color becomes redder, indicating the trend is bearish, it's getting weak, same as it was dark green. The trend was bullish, it turns right clean, meaning now the trend is getting weak. Hope you got that. This is what we use to identify the trend. Now how we have to use the BB trend? We have to use BB trends for trend reversal. They say, for example, now BB trend candles are getting bigger and darker, getting bigger and darker red, meaning your bearish trend is strong. See, it starts to become light red. Now what? Now you know, man, extreme, man. So we should reverse and correct ourselves so you can trade it. But you have to keep in mind that whenever you use the BB trend, you have to keep an eye on your colors. You have to keep an eye on additional indicators, especially price action, meaning support and resistance, and trend lines. For confirmation of trend reversal, just like we discussed earlier on the PP trend, no single indicator, no single instrument, we have to combine them and use them to filter each other out. So we have to use both together, and this helps us. But there is an issue with the BB trend. Like all previous indicators we discussed, what is it like moving average? This is the lagging indicator. We have biniki, no? Yung indicator types mo. We will discuss them. Lagging and leading. For now, we will say that a lagging indicator, which is slow, is not used to help predict the future, but okay. Used to help read the past.